Hi guys, Ging is here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the button like and share, and of course subscribe. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell for you to be notified when my new videos comes out. So yeah, for today's vlog, we will be going to check out a Secluded Waterfalls. So I take you there. Stay tuned. So we are heading now to the waterfalls. So yeah, we walk like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes walking to be there in the waterfalls. So I will show you the view here. This is really cool and very quiet and peaceful. You can see different trees here, and the sky is really bright. Yeah, yeah. I'm with my friends Greasy. She's there. My sexy friend. So guys, this is the way on our way to the waterfalls, and yeah, we're heading there. Hello. So guys, I can hear the waterfalls. We are very near. We are very near. Yeah. So yeah, we are finally here. After 2 to 3 minutes walking, guys, and then yeah, we are finally here. Yeah.
There's a way down there, but it's treacherous, so you never, I hate how they just dump all the
Yes. Ah,
Careful.
careful na lang. Hi, my friend. It's so pretty. There are also few people, local people coming here just to swim. So we're going furthermore. So yeah, we can see here there are few people coming here, just local people that maybe they live it here, and yeah, it's very fun because the water is clean, and yeah, we will go further up more. Huge. And yeah, I can also recommend that you always wear a shoes, water shoes. This is my water shoes. And yeah, it is important to wear a water shoes because the stones is sharp. Yeah, I can climb there. Okay. Okay. So guys, we are finally here, so we need to enjoy this. Oh, it's so nice. It's really great. Ah, I am ready on my costume suit. Yeah. Na, okay ra. First, we're going to take a picture sa last. Ay! Ah, dako kang higante, uy. It's more fun in the Philippines.